Hello everybody, happy Friday. Can I get a woo woo? It is amazing that the weekend has already started, and I'm so glad that you joined me for the Fresh 5 Friday, episode number 5, how to meal prep for you and your family. Meal prep is an important aspect for me in particular because I have a lot of wellness goals for myself. So it can be challenging because I have those goals plus the goals to satisfy my family and feed them good, nutritious food. So I wanted to give you 5 of my tips that I use to make meal prep less frustrating and seamless. So tip number 1, you have to keep a positive mindset. Your mindset determines your attitude. I know it sounds like a bumper sticker, but it is true. If you make something sound positive, exciting, adventurous, more people are willing to do it. So by avoiding words like healthy, it may make it a little bit more appealing to your family. I don't know why, but healthy just doesn't cut it for everybody. So tip number 2 is to encourage your family to participate in meal prep and cooking. I think it is best that you start doing this as early as possible with your children. They get a life skill that can serve them in the long run. They understand ingredients, how to combine them together to create a profile, how to cook something, how to slice and dice, as well as build a better relationship with food. Food is just not meant to be emotionally driven. May it be to celebrate, to get over something difficult. Food is a tool for your body such that it can perform at optimal and peak optimal and peak levels. So by getting them engaged, they get those life skills as well as being able to provide you with real-time feedback. If you understand what they do or do not like, you can tweak a recipe here and there such that you're only making one dish as opposed to 2 dishes. So tip number 3, I would recommend picking a theme. I think Taco Tuesday is pretty much a staple in everybody's house. So you would buy all of the ingredients to make a taco. They get their taco. However, you replace the taco shell with a bowl of lettuce such that you are filling up on fiber-filling vegetables, very dense and nutritious ingredients to fuel your body correctly. So tip number 4 is to make your family's staple food and put in little healthy substitutes here and there. For example, my family loves fried rice. Rice is something I grew up with. I believe you could eat rice with anything. So what I do is I substitute it with cauliflower so that I get that vegetable without feeling like I have the vegetable. And tip number 5 kind of coincides is to take this slow with your family. It is a gradual process. I will tell you, going from white rice to brown rice to cauliflower rice took several years. It didn't happen instantaneously for myself, and you should have that same mindset with your family, that it is a journey that we're going on to better serve our bodies and our families. So I hope you enjoyed episode number 5. Make sure to check out episode number 6 on how to fulfill that nagging need for vegetables even though you don't like them. It's tricky, but it's doable. Have a great weekend, and I'll hope to see you guys here next week on the Fresh 5 Friday.